Do you want to be able to fix Instagram message reply problem? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix it. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Instagram app right now, and then you need to come to your profile right here. In here, what I'm going to do firstly is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, because as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. What you need to do in here is to click on the settings button in here. So click on the settings button. Now I'm just going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says help, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help in here. Now click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here. And by the way, some of you will need to shake your phone to be able to be taken to this step right here, just so you know. Now I'm going to click on include and continue, because then you should be taken here. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? Well, great question. The reason why you need to come to this page right here is because in here you're able to contact directly the Instagram support. And if you're missing some kind of feature on your Instagram, well then perfect, you can just come here and you can write exactly like this to be able to fix this. So I'm going to write, I am missing the message reply option on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed. It's very important. So write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I am missing the message reply option on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed. It's very important. Now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. Click on send in the top right corner. Now what you need to do actually is to wait about 1 to 3 business days for Instagram to be able to see this. And after that, hopefully this should be fixed for you. What you can also do, by the way, the second step for this is to just go into your app store. So go into your app store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. In here, I'm just going to search for Instagram. So just a second, I'm going to search for Instagram in here. And I'm just going to click on the Instagram app. As you can see, you can also check if you do have a blue button in here where it says open, like me, for example. But if you have something that says update in that blue button, then click on the update button. It's really important that you do update your Instagram to the latest version, because when you do, you can just go back into your Instagram and then try again. Maybe this could be a quick fix for you, just so you know, to just update. But if it does not solve this issue, then of course you need to just report this problem and then wait 1 to 3 business days, and hopefully after that this should be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.